Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion cutoff tool and grinder, PCC761B, part of the growing linked system of high-performance tools. A high-performance motor produces 8,500 rotations per minute for fast and smooth cutting removal. Each tool comes standard with a tool-free cutting and grinding guard, allowing users to quickly and safely adjust the guard. This tool also features a 3-position side handle for control and comfortable use of tool, a durable cast metal gear housing to help dissipate heat during extended use. 20-volt max compact and max pack lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the compact and the max pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt max cutoff tool grinder combines speed, performance, durability, versatility, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt max.